My name is Danielle.
My name is Cassidy.
We love you, Glama!
Oh, I love you too, Glama girls. Hi everyone, Glama here. Welcome back to journal entry, I believe it's 227. Today I am going to be doing a much requested video. I am going to be showing you how I put eyelashes on. Alrighty guys, stay tuned if you are one of the ones that requested this video. And even if you're not, stay tuned. Let's go do it. Okay, so let's get started. I've got you way zoomed in and I wanted to show you the brand of lashes that we'll be using today. And yeah, they're by Kiss. And one thing that I want to tell you is that if you buy eyelashes and put them on your eye and notice that they're too long, if you do trim them, what you want to do is you want to trim the outer corner, not the inner corner, because they usually make the inner corner a little shorter than the outer corner. So if you trim the inner corner, they're going to look way too long on the inside. So if you do have to trim them, trim the outer corner. Okay, so the adhesive that I'm using is just a Walmart brand and it's Strip Lash Adhesive. It's this one right here and it's a brush on. I really like this one because it's a brush on. So I am just going to brush the glue on the band, and when you first apply it, it has like a little bit of a blue hue to it, and as it starts getting clear, that's when you know that it's getting dry, and we want to wait for the glue to get tacky. So you want to wait a little while after you apply the glue. So this is what it looks like right now. See, it's got kind of a blue hue to it. So we're gonna wait a little bit till it clears up a little bit, and once it clears up, like I said, we know it's good and tacky and it'll be easy to pop onto our eye. If you were to do it now and pop it on and you don't get it just right, it slides around a lot, it makes a mess. And if you've already done your eye makeup like I usually do, I usually have my eye makeup done before I do this, then if you mess up and it's sliding around, it messes up your eyeliner, your eyeshadow. So you want to wait till it's good and tacky. See how it's starting to, this end right here is getting clearer and this end is still a little wet. So we're going to wait a little bit longer. And yeah. And before you put glue on them, you can always kind of pop them on your lid there and see how you're going to want to position them. So okay, I think mine is tacky enough, so I'm going to get my zoomed in mirror and I hope you can see what I'm doing. But basically what I do is I just close my eye and I kind of have an idea where I like to place them, and I place them really close to my natural lash line. I do the middle, then I do one side, and then I do the other corner. There we go. That's pretty much it. And right now it's really obvious where they are because I don't have any eye makeup on or eyeliner, so it looks pretty unnatural at this point. But I wanted to do this without any eyeshadow or eyeliner so that you see exactly where I place it. And there we go. That's how you put eyelashes on. I'm gonna do the other one, but it looks so much better with eye makeup on and everything. So right now I'm just putting the glue on, I'm just brushing it on like I did before. I'm gonna wait for it to get tacky. And this is kind of what your eye would look like if you went and got eyelash extensions, because this is what you would wake up looking like you already have long eyelashes. And I'm really considering getting them done this month. I might not try to vlog it the first time just because I'm going to be nervous about it too, but if I end up liking the eyelash extensions and I get to know the person that does them a little better, maybe I'll feel more comfortable asking her if I can vlog it next time. Okay. Waiting for it to get tacky. See how it's still really, It's not very clear yet, so I still need to wait for it to get a little tackier. Okay, I think it's good enough. Let me see if I can look down and do this. So just place it there. Oh, I didn't get all the glue off of this one. The last time it's got makeup on it. Push that end and then grab this end. Push that really close to the lash line. Okay, so there it is. And before it dries completely, you kind of want to push up on them so that it dries in the position that you want them at. This one is standing up more and this one is thicker. I think this one still has a little bit of mascara on it, but there they are. It's as simple as that. The key to eyelash application is just waiting for the glue to get tacky. Don't try to put them on right away or it'll be a sloppy mess. So, okay, I'm gonna zoom out. I'm gonna put a little bit of eyeshadow on probably, and I've got a tiny bit. I've got like a little bit of a shimmer there going on, but I didn't put any color on my eyes because I wanted you to be able to see exactly where I placed them. Okay, I'm gonna zoom out because this is way too close. Oh, before I zoom out, I wanted to show you that what you can do is you can get a spoolie brush, and to make your lashes look more natural, I usually do this before I put them on. I usually just go like this to them, and it makes them look less store-bought and more like your natural lashes if you just brush through them and make them look a little fluffier like natural eyelashes. So that's a nice tip that I just learned about 3 weeks ago that I've been doing with my lashes. So yeah, all right, I am going to zoom out, and I don't think I'm going to put any other eye makeup on. I did just add a little bit of bottom mascara just so that my eyes look a little bit more balanced. But okay, I'm going to zoom out, come back, and say goodbye to you guys. Alrighty guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful. I hope it was in focus and not blurry. If it's not, I'll be doing another one. Alrighty guys, don't forget how much I love you. Don't forget to love yourselves and everyone you come in contact with. Alright, bye! Mwah.
Thank you for watching our Glama's channel.